Hi guys, so it's Becky here from the Bankers Club, and in this short video, I'm just going to quickly go for an example of how we can use the footprint chart to analyze the order flow at a point of interest when looking for a potential reversal. In this case, we'd be looking for a reversal from the deviation band extremes back towards the mean, which is the volume weighted average price. So with that said, just going to give you some quick context. So this would be, let's get up the day chart first. This is the day market profile. And you can see here we have what's called a poor low from a previous past session. So we would expect seeing price coming down towards this poor low to sweep the low. And then here we've got an area of imbalance with this study of mine showing that little line there, which is a low volume node. So that would be where I would be looking around there for a potential correctional move, having seen us auctioning down. So we'd sweep the liquidity of this poor low into this area here, where we'd then be looking for a correctional move. So that would be a potential demand zone. On the daily, we'd have extra confluence of, let's get rid of this one now, the custom morning session chart, where we can see at that same area here, we have a value area low, and just below it, a point of control, a naked point of control, meaning it's not been traded through before. So this for me would be a fresh demand zone. You can see we've got the bounce from there. Now, if I just pull this chart back over, we can then analyze the footprint. Pull this up here. So this area here, which is our demand zone where we're looking for an area of interest, is down here. And it's very straightforward looking at this. Hopefully you can see straight away we had these red numbers, which is heavy sell side delta. That means, in a nutshell, that sellers are in control. You can see also on inside your actual candlesticks, there's masses of selling taking place coming into my area of interest, which is here. So we've got all this selling coming in, an increase in selling, picking up of volume. So not only have we got a lot of sellers piling in here now, we've also now no doubt got sellers that are now starting to take profits as well at the area of interest. We've got this little blue box here as well, which is one of my studies showing that there's an area of imbalance there, a stacked imbalance. So as we're coming into this area of demand, we've got all these clues, what we're starting to see happen on and play out on the footprint chart. So we've got a massive increase in selling. We then got here 2-pointed controls, 3-pointed controls, which is most tradable volume has took place all within a few pips of each other. Got a massive selling climax with all these sellers, followed by what we call the delta, or I call a delta flip, where you go from red numbers to the green numbers, which is a delta flip. Buyers then have stepped in and taken control. And as you can see, we then came back up to the pink line, which is the VWAP. So here we had a selling climax. Price could not go down any lower because we had passive buy limit orders getting filled. So aggressive sellers getting stopped by passive buyers, which then got aggressive in the auction. Delta flip, off we go back to VWAP. We then got here the buying climax, massive increase in buying up to this pink line with volume, and that's where we would be taking profits. So hopefully that sort of helps you understand a little bit how we can use footprint to see what's going on inside our candlesticks and know the true intention behind the order flow. We can also use one of my other charts to help confirm this, which is my absorption chart. And this is that area of interest here. So we came down. I'll just zoom in a bit. We came down. We then got the absorption around this dotted pink line, which is a custom deviation on this chart. And when we started going back up, we can also see we had limit orders sitting there as well. So this chart has its uses as well for help spotting absorption. I zoom out on it. You can see it's quite useful in spotting those areas, the tops and the bottoms, for pullbacks and reversals. Quite handy. Let's get rid of this chart now. So yeah, just a quick little video just to show you how you can benefit from using footprint charts when price is coming into a point of interest, to see inside your candlesticks and just sort of give you an overview as to what's going on between the sellers and the buyers, and where absorption could be taking place and where trapped traders could be taking place as well. So these sellers would now be in drawdown as price has reversed against them. Well, I hope you got a little bit of value from that quick video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers, guys.